Hi, sweeties. How are you doing? Welcome to Naya. Same awesome Naya. Thank you so much for the support. Hope you all are doing great. Now, each time I see some videos coming out from Latino community, and I am asking who actually like did these people know what is going on in their own community? I mean, some people are just damn like mean. Some people are just mean to their own community, right? Thinking that they are doing black people. I didn't know how to explain this to you, but sis, you and black people are not on the same level, right? Go sort out what is going on in your community before looking for a way to shit people that look like me. Now, I am going to tell you this. You wrote Latinos for Trump on your TikTok handle, right? When they are deporting you people all in mass. And tomorrow they are actually going to profile you because they don't know if you're a criminal and they cannot differentiate who is a criminal and who is not. They cannot differentiate who is legal and who is illegal. You think it's all about you think it's about us. No, this is not about us. Nothing is happening to black people because they've been in that country from the beginning. All right. So it is you people that they will keep deporting. I do not see any of you coming out to speak about it. All right. But you all are so quick to make videos to share people that look like me when your community is burning. And I see you people still looking for a way to tell us that you all have been in community with black. No, you all have not been in community, even with yourselves, let alone being in community with us. Let's get into this video.
Question for all the lefties and the Democrats on the left side. How does it feel to lose? I guess as Republicans and conservatives, we'll never know.
Your name is Esmeralda. On your page, you have, in big bold letters, Latinos for Trump. I am not a Latino man at all. I am not the son of migrant workers. I am not the son of people who are fleeing war-torn places and threats of death and violence. So, in this regard, I cannot speak to that experience. But I can speak to this one. Politics is not a game. It never has been, and it never will be. You didn't win anything. You lost. You're just too blind to see it. You are raising the flag and being happy that you won as ICE raids continue in several cities all over America, illegally in certain instances. But you think you won. The idea of looking at politics like a football game inevitably hurts everyone. Because you see, you think you won, and there are people, Latinos, who will tell you otherwise. You won nothing. You hurt your own community. There are mothers and fathers, brothers and sisters, grandmas and grandpas, uncles and aunts that are being snatched up and taken away, destroying families, hurting places like farms and restaurants. But you think you won. It is all fun and games until it happens to you. And then you will see the folly of believing in politics as a football game. You are just entirely too blind to see it. But I can almost guarantee you, and again, I don't speak for the Latino and Spanish-speaking community when I say this. I'm almost willing to bet there are some Latinos, some Spanish-speaking people who find you disgusting because of your winning attitude towards a man who has shown nothing but contempt for people like you. You really honestly think you won something. And in the back of your head, you think that the good guys came back and Trump is going to make America great again. But you didn't read the fine print, which is this. They want people like you gone. Oh, well, he's only going after the criminals. No, he's not. Look at that entire plane load of Venezuelans that he took to El Salvador. And how many of them didn't have a criminal record? Do you think he gives a damn about your immigration status? The man is trying to get rid of birthright citizenship, which will inevitably touch you, Esmeralda. Have you shown this to your parents, your grandparents, your uncles or aunts, your cousins, your brothers or sisters? I'm pretty sure they will tell you that nobody won anything. And in fact, we all lost. I hope and pray that this does not happen to anyone you love. Not for selfish reasons, I mean every single word of it. Because I believe diversity makes us strong. I voted to keep your community whole. You voted against me, voting for your community to be whole. So I'm going to ask you, what did you win? And follow up, in the words of Gamora from Infinity War, what did it cost?
This is all I got from this video. And you see one of the reasons why each time I say that I do not pity anybody at this point in time. I do not pity anybody, because sometimes they think they are coming to make mockery of people that look like me, not knowing that they are making mockery of themselves. Like, tell me how a full-grown adult is saying what is going on in her own community, and she is actually out here trying to gaslight her community and herself and saying it's Democrat. Like, are you okay? Because it's only someone that is not okay will come out and do something like this. It's just like the way my community is hurting, right? And I am here like, how? Who raised you? And now let me tell Black people this. I do not want anybody to ever feel any guilt or probably resting and not coming out to do anything. I hope you all do not sometimes feel like that. Please don't ever feel that, because the people that need help are not acting like they need help. And they are trying to show us that they are fine. When people tell you they are fine, do you have to argue? Especially when you are not from that community. Allow them to continue to wallow in their ignorance, because this is just a very ignorant person making life hard for other people, right? I remember seeing a video of how many years, 10-year-old child, a girl who had cancer, and she had surgery. She has been in and out of hospital. To my great surprise, the day she was caught, she is a legal citizen. She is a US citizen, but her parents are not. She was coming back from hospital. The parents went to pick her up or something like that. And that was how they caught her up and deported her and her family. Someone that is still battling cancer. And you are here telling me that Democrats are the ones that lost when you people are out there losing. And they are profiling every one of you, because how am I supposed to know if you're a criminal or if you are not a criminal? How am I supposed to know if you are illegal or if you are illegal? So they just keep catching all of you one after the other, and then you are okay with it. That is to tell you how some people can never ever change, no matter how hard you try. Very ignorant set of people. You think it's about Black people? No. Black people been living life like they've been surviving. They've been doing their thing way back. You all do not even have any survivor instinct or survivor anything. You people don't know how it works. Shame. So when Latinos come out to say that they have been in community with Black people for 100 years or 1 billion years, continue to pull out this kind of videos to them and show them, is this not one of you? And they will say it's just one. No, show them all those videos so they know that they aren't anything like community. Because the last time I checked, as at last year, there ain't anything like Black and brown unity or something, or anybody being allied to Black people. Black people are just on their own. See you all in my next video. Bye for now.